let us talk something about thermodynamic equilibrium. See, as I told you earlier, thermodynamics is an axiomatic science which deals with the behavior of the system or properties of the system when it is at equilibrium. That means this equilibrium, thermodynamic equilibrium, plays a very important role in order to study the properties of the fluid. So when it comes to this thermodynamic equilibrium, a system is said to be in thermodynamic equilibrium when it is in thermal equilibrium, mechanical equilibrium, and chemical equilibrium. See, when a system is said to be in all these three equilibriums, then only it is said to be in thermodynamic equilibrium. Now, what do you mean by this thermal equilibrium? So when it comes to this thermal equilibrium, the temperature of the system should remain constant. So temperature of system should remain constant when it comes to thermal equilibrium. So when we consider mechanical equilibrium, see, in engineering mechanics, strength of materials, we will come across mechanical equilibrium majorly. There we will come across that suppose if there is a system or an object, the net effect of forces or pressures acting on the system must be equal to 0. So net effect of pressures, or you can take forces acting on the system, must be equal to 0. So then only we can say that the system is in mechanical equilibrium. Coming to this chemical equilibrium, see, a system is said to be in chemical equilibrium when there is no chemical reaction taking place. See, we know that when a chemical reaction takes place, there will be either heat addition or heat liberation to the system. As a result of that, there will be change in behavior of the system, and as a result of that, it will not be in chemical equilibrium. So if a system should be in chemical equilibrium, there should be no chemical reaction taking place. So there should be no heat liberated or heat absorbed. Then only chemical reaction doesn't take place, and if there is no chemical reaction, there will be no changes in mechanical or thermal equilibrium. So a system is said to be in thermodynamic equilibrium when these three equilibriums are satisfied. Suppose there is such a system in which only mechanical and thermal equilibriums are satisfied, then such a system is said to be in metastable equilibrium. Such a system is said to be in metastable equilibrium. So if a system is in thermal and mechanical equilibrium, then only we can say it is in metastable equilibrium.